Welcome to this English for Elegance channel. This is an all important video about attending the competitive exams and cracking the exams. The first point to remember is the purpose of writing the exam. What for you are applying for the post, whether you are having the proper eligibility, whether you are suitable for the exam or the exam is suitable for you, you have to analyze this first. That is, the purpose of writing the exam plays an important role here. Please don't apply for the post just because somebody compelled you or just because somebody advises you. You have to take your own decision because you are the master of your own fate. The second point is knowing your eligibility. That is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? You may be good at mathematics, you may not be good at English, or you may be good at some areas, not so good at some other areas. So you should know your strengths and weaknesses properly. And after knowing your strengths and weaknesses, you have to concentrate on the areas that are found weak to you. For example, you are not so good at English. Now that you have to improve upon your vocabulary, English grammar, functional English, communicative English, you have to enrich your English by leaps and bounds in order to get full marks in the English subject. Similarly, supposing that you are not so good at GK or mathematics, you have to enrich those subjects clearly. First, enhance your subject knowledge according to the requirements. English or GK or arithmetic or test of reasoning or computer knowledge, whatever it is, you have to update yourself. You have to be a thorough reader always. You should read magazines, newspapers, or you should listen to all kinds of news in English and news in vernaculars. You should know what is going on around you, what is going on in your city, in your state, in your country, the whole world, current affairs, more importantly about all branches, what is going on in economics, what is going on in science, space, sports, arts, music. You should be a hunter of knowledge always. You should read a lot. You should acquire a lot before appearing for the exam. You should update yourself. This is another very important point, that is preparation. Never ever go to the exam hall without any proper preparation. Preparing yourselves physically and mentally before the exams plays a vital role. Because without preparation, if you attend any kind of exam, it is going to be namesake only. You are one among the millions, or you are one among the lakhs of candidates or students applying for the post. But you should be cut above the rest. You should show yourself better than many others. How? By reading, by interacting, by acquiring knowledge, by memorizing, by analyzing, by enriching your scopes of all the areas, all the required areas. You may not be good at mathematics, so concentrate on those areas. You please analyze yourself as a candidate. They are going to recruit you purely on the basis of your merits, qualification. So you should know your merits and demerits properly and try to concentrate upon the demerits, because your demerits are your weaknesses, your merits are your strengths. So mere strength is not sufficient. You should know completely about your weaknesses. Then only you'll be able to enrich yourself, enhance your knowledge purely on the basis of competitive exams. Please remember, just attending the exam is not going to fulfill your dream. You have to be a hunter. You have to be a hard worker always. You should be a regular reader. Next, very important point is getting self confidence. Self confidence plays a vital role in attending or cracking all kinds of exams. That means you should enrich your character. You should be hopeful of yourself first. Yes, I am capable of applying for this post. I am capable of answering these questions. I am capable of selecting the right answer from the given options. Because in some cases, for example, there are four options given for one particular question. Among those four, three may be similar to each other. And among those three, getting the right answer is your tonic. You are going to play the magic by selecting the right answer. Because some questions may be misleading, may be confusing, may be so much, you know, difficult for you. Please remember, all the competitive exams are not easy because they have to select the right candidates. Supposing that they are getting lakhs of applications for thousands of posts. Now, just remember, they have to select one candidate out of 100. Now, imagine the difficulties faced by them, by the board of selectors. So, you have to be always enriching yourself in subjects like English, GK, mathematics, arithmetic, whatever it is, general affairs. All these things are going to enhance your personality also. In case you are weak in one particular subject, please pay attention to that subject completely. Pay more attention. Devote more time. Prepare yourselves. Be confident. Never ever appear for the post or appear for the exams without preparation. Preparation plays a vital role. So, to get through any kind of competitive exams, whether it is railways or bank or TRB or whatever, railway, any kind of exam, please remember these important points. That is number one, purpose. Number two, eligibility. Number third, strength and weakness. Number four, preparation, regular practice and preparation. More importantly, your self confidence. All these things are going to play a vital role in enriching your personality, in enriching your knowledge, in updating yourself. Please be a regular reader, regular listener, be a hunter of knowledge. There are plenty of resources available from all directions, all sources. All these things will shape you, will nourish you, and one day or the other, you will definitely crack the exam. If at all you are not able to clear the first exam, in the subsequent attempts, second or third, definitely you will be able to succeed in your exam. I wish you all the best. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.